Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about branches in detail. So branches are such a critical part of your everyday development process. I will state it again. Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about branches in detail. So branches are such a critical part of your everyday development process. I will state it again. A branch can be looked at independent line of development. For example, let's say we branch off the master branch to create a new branch for developing a software. This is the common practice for the majority of the software project. Recall. So main branch should only hold production ready software. This is the reason we create a separate develop branch. Let me give a great example of how branches work. Now that we have branch off the master into our own development branch, let's say we wanted to add a functionality of user authentication in our application. For this, we will create an entirely separate branch. Once this feature has been finished, we can merge it back into a develop, and if we are happy, we can merge develop into master. This would happen, of course, after tremendous amount of testing has been completed. But unfortunately, how much ever we test our software, it is still vulnerable for bugs. And let's say if we have found a bug after merge from develop branch to a master branch, you have to create a separate branch of a master branch to fix this bug. I hope now you understood how critical the branches are in everyday development process. Whenever you want to add a new feature or let's say bug, you are going to create a new branch. You have an independent line of development, and this is going to make sure that any code that isn't completely stable will never be committed to our main code base. In this video, we are going to create a simple branch. Your branch name should be short and descriptive as possible. For this example, let's create a branch called user authentication. But before we do that, let's see how many branches are there in the repository by typing a command called git branch and hit enter. This is not only going to tell us how many branches are in our repository, but it will also tell us which branches we are currently on. So we are going to know which branches we are currently on by the symbol asterisk. So to create a new branch, it's as simple as typing git branch and then branch name. We can say user authentication and hit enter. Perfect. Even though we have created this branch, but we are not currently on it, we have to check out the branch, which we would do shortly. But let's make sure that this branch actually got created by typing git branch. Perfect. You can see that there is one more branch which has got created, but we are not currently on because the asterisk symbol is still in the master. So we have to check out the branch, which we would. Okay. Now to check out a branch, we need to say git checkout and then a branch name, which is user authentication. Now we can see there's a message called it switched to branch user authentication, right? And then let's say we'll do git branch. So you see now the asterisk symbol is in this user authentication, right? So we are currently on the user authentication branch. Now within this branch, Let us create a JavaScript file. So we can do that by using this touch command. We say touch auth.js, which is a JavaScript file. So it got created, and let's do some modification to our index.html file. We can open it directly here. We can hit I, and then we can say this is a comment. Then you need to press skip colon WQ. Now we will say git status. This looks little different. So in the next video, we are going to dive deeper and what it means for a file to be tracked, untracked, staged, and unstaged. We're going to talk about all of these things in detail. Thank you guys for watching this video.